Hello grade 6! Welcome to another day of math lessons.
Mathematics, mathematics, I love math, I love math. It is so exciting, very interesting. I love math, I love math.
Last time, we studied how to convert units of capacity. So, we need to use the conversion factor for the customary units of capacity and the conversion factor for the metric units of capacity, or the diagram for the metric units. And here are the answers to that lesson's classwork. So for today, we're going to have another lesson that is somewhat similar to the previous lessons. So we have customary units of weight and mass. And you can find this on page 327. Now get your book and open on this page. So we are going to use this conversion factor for units of weight. 1 pound, or it is abbreviated as LB, is 16 ounces, or OZ. 1 ton, or capital letter T, is equal to 2,000 pounds. So as you can see, there are only two. So it's quite short. So again, you don't have to memorize the conversion factor. But if you want, it's up to you. So we need to convert 226 ounces to pounds. So again, let us first write the given number, that is 226 ounces, times, we are going to find the relationship between ounces and pounds. So since we don't need the unit ounce, then we are going to write it down so we can cancel that out later, and then the unit pound up. So 1 pound is 16 ounces. So 1 pound, that will be 16 ounces. And then we can cancel out the unit ounce. Then multiply. So 226 times 1 is 226 pounds over 16. Now, it's time to divide 226 by 16. So that gives us 14 and 2 over 16 pounds. So that means there is 14 whole number. So 14 pounds. And the remainder, that is 2, is for the ounce. So is 14 pounds and 2 ounces. Now let us convert 38 pounds to ounces. So write this first, that is 38 pounds times, so this time pounds will be in the denominator since we don't need that unit now, and ounces will be up. So how many ounces in pounds? That's 16 ounces in 1 pound. And then cancel out the unit pound. Now multiply 38 and 16. What is the answer? That is 608. And the unit is ounces. So 38 pounds is equal to 608 ounces. So let us proceed to the metric units of weight. So we need to convert 2,570 grams to centigrams. Now let us use the conversion factor that you can find on page 328. So that is 2,570 grams times, grams will be here and centigrams above. So we know that there are 100 centigrams in 1 gram. Cancel the unit gram. And then multiply 2,570 by 100. And that will give us 257,000 centigrams. So there are 257,000 centigrams in 2,570 grams. Now, what if you don't want to use the conversion factor and you want to use this diagram instead? So no problem. Remember, this is a whole number, so the decimal point is there at the end. Okay? Now, from grams to centigrams, this is gram. Going to centigram is 1, 2. So you will move 2 places to the right. 1, 2. So the point will be there. There are 2 spaces. You need to add 2 zeros. So that gives us 257,000, which is the same when we use the conversion factor. Now let us convert 2,570 grams to kilograms using the diagram. So first, write the number. Again, the decimal point is at the end of a whole number. So if you don't see any decimal point, just put it at the end of the whole number. So we need to convert from grams to kilograms. So grams is here, going to kilogram, 1, 2, 3. So we move 3 places to the left. So from this point, 1, 2, 3. The point will be there. That gives us 2.570. Now, as you can see, the 0 is there at the end of our decimal. That means we can also cancel that out, giving us 2.57. Remember, they are just the same.
One of the oldest trees on the Arabian Peninsula, date palms, are the principal fruit trees grown in Qatar. If I bought 2.5 kilograms of date fruits, how much is it in decigrams? How about in milligrams? Let us first convert 2.5 kilograms to decigrams. So we will be using our diagram. From kilogram to decigram, we need to move 4 places to the right. That means we will move the decimal point 4 places to the right, giving us 3 spaces. That means we need to add 3 zeros, making the number 25,000. So that means 2.5 kilograms is equal to 25,000 decigrams. Now 2.5 kilograms will be converted to milligrams. From kilograms to milligrams, we need to move 6 places to the right, giving us 5 spaces for the 5 zeros. So 2.5 kilograms is equal to 2,500,000 milligrams.
And that's it. That is how we convert units of weight and mass. Isn't it easy? So for questions, again, you can ask me during our Zoom classes. For your classwork, do page 329, numbers 1 to 9. For your homework, do page 331, numbers 3 to 8.
I hope you learned a lot today. And if you do, can you sing with me? We learned a lot today. We learned a lot today. We are all happy now. We learned a lot today.